3, 2, 1. Hi everybody, I'm Jimmy, the Almost Happy Camper.
And this YouTube channel is about my travels in a 1971 Pacero motorhome with my dogs and my cats and my hobbies and my rants, the people I meet, the friends I make, the places I go, and the things that I see. So hit that subscribe button and come along with us. The next year should be even better.
Okay, we're back here at the Fountain of Youth, one of my favorite places. Even though they close everything at 10 p.m. and I'm up till 3 in the morning and I'd really like to soak and do stuff after 10. I mean, you'd think at least on the weekends they could go until midnight. Look how many empty spaces there are. That's because they're catering to the senior crowd, not everybody. If they allowed people to soak until midnight, I bet you all these spaces would be full even this time of year when it's hotter, because it cools off at night, making the tubs a lot more appealing. So one of my favorite things about this place is the dog washing station. We just took Sierra, now we're taking Kenya down there. I'm using these camera glasses so I can hopefully give you a point of view shot here. And I'll try to keep talking. I don't want to bore you to death, but yeah, I mean, how fun can washing a dog be, right? And she is not being good on the leash today. She really wants to go into everybody's camps, and she's not allowed to do that. Sierra's still limping. We'll get her dealt with when I get home. It seems like if I sit somewhere for a while, she gets better, and then when I start the RV and drive again, she gets worse. So I should probably get home as quick as I can and then not move much or at all for a few months. Okay, dog washing station. Do you remember this from last year? Come on, come on. No, come on. You got it, good girl. Come on, come on. Good girl. Now she's a little more sketchy. That's why they have these things built in to keep them in place, huh? Then you got your water gun here. Get my temperature just right. Feels pretty good. Keep my hand in it in case it gets warmer or hotter all of a sudden. Well, it's getting a little warmer, but I think it's still good. Yeah. That's a wet bitch right there, huh? You like that? Oh yeah, she likes that. Okay, now we gotta... Whoa, we just poured half of our soap on the ground. I don't actually know where the camera lenses are pointing on this pair of glasses because they don't have the adjustable lens like the iView did. The iView were great glasses, but they quit. The batteries just went out on them after like almost no time at all. These are waterproof and the battery keeps working, but the image stabilization, as I'm sure you're already seeing, is a little wonky. I don't think they even have image stabilization built into these. Oh, that's way too hot. Sorry, Kenya, I didn't realize. Give her some straight cold for a second. I don't think it was bothering her, but it bothers me. So yeah, pivot heads were cool, but their batteries are trash. iView is even better. They have Wi-Fi. They'll connect directly to your phone. The camera is adjustable, so you can tilt it up or down a little bit to help keep it right on your subject, whatever you're working on or looking at. And these, the OHO Sunshine, they're okay. They're waterproof, I'll give them that much. And they have a good battery. I'm not real impressed with the image quality. It's got like some shaky, really shaky. I didn't realize the others had any image stabilization built in until I saw the videos coming off these. I mean, it is good. You're watching the video right now. You see what I'm saying. It's all right. It's just a little shaky. I'm sure you guys are wondering, what's this? This is just a fatty tumor. She's had it since I got her. The last time I went to the vet took it and squeezed the heck out of it. Like, freaked me out. I'm like, oh, wait, don't do that. And the vet's like, no, it's okay. She's like, it doesn't hurt her. It's not going to make her sick. It's just a cosmetic issue. We could remove it if it bothers you. I'm like, it doesn't bother me unless it bothers her. So we left it. And now she has another one down there. Just growing testicles on your leg all over the place, huh? Doesn't it look like a conjoined twin and all that was left was the ball? That one really looks like a ball sack. But it's not. It's just a fatty tumor. And there just went my monetization, talking about ball sacks and stuff. That's okay. I don't make any money off these videos anyway. Okay. You're all soap free. I felt some soap. Let's give you a quick rinse right in there. Yeah, there you go. Now, gonna make her hop up here and we'll use the dryer. Come on. She's gonna freak too. Come on. Come on. Don't freak out. It's okay. It's not gonna get you.